Okay, so had the batteries out and on charge, and the self-sensing charger boost pack from Menards started reading the most proximal battery to the front of the two that are linked together as a boost, 12-volt boost. But watch this. I'm going to put the key in. Nothing. Okay, I might have turned off the batteries. I'm going to go out and turn them on. Okay, so I'm going to release these. And then right in here, it's set to off. I'm going to turn this. And I can hear probably what is the fuel pump priming, and I could hear the load engage in here. So let's go see what happens. Okay, so here we go. Nothing. We don't even get dash lights. What could that be? I can hear these batteries fizzing. I have no idea.